Thinking about how to become a 3D artist? It's easier today than ever before. Thanks to tools like Reallusion, DAZ 3D, and AI-assisted software, you have more creative power at your fingertips. You don't have to start by building characters polygon by polygon, piece by piece, as before. Now, these platforms let you quickly create digital people, scenes, and animations without heavy technical barriers. But here's the catch. Great software can't replace skills like composition, storytelling, and creative problem-solving. To succeed as a 3D artist, develop artistic judgment, reliable workflows, and a focused portfolio showing you deliver on time. From character creation, animation, and facial expressions, to lighting and camera setup, each task demands unique skills and software. It's best to specialize early: character animation, game assets, or digital illustration, to make learning manageable and your portfolio strong. Don't forget, mastering fundamentals like anatomy, lighting, and posing makes your work believable and grabs attention. Plus, if you manage your files well and communicate clearly, you'll stand out above other artists too. Ready to dive into 3D art? Start with one specialty, master your tools, and always keep practicing. Your path to freelancing or joining a creative team begins with that first digital step. Take it today. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.com. Thanks for watching.